All right. Well, today we're going to take a look at the great 1098R Ducati model year 2008. This particular unit has about 700 miles on it, all in perfect shape. The carbon fiber on this is pretty excessive. Everywhere you look, just about, including the belly pan, valve timing covers, so forth. Anyway. Okay. Pretty solid looking Brembo brakes. Traction control. The traction control sensors. And a pretty mean looking front end. Gets up off the ground pretty easy when you give it the gas. We just had this in for the 600 mile service, but the serve light still comes on. We'll have to get that turned off. And 1098R Race EVO is what it's called. And here we go, let's fire it up. Idles at 1550, which is pretty high, but they say it's like a Formula One car. So that's it. That's the story. And there's the smoking gun. Huh. Pretty nice. Smells good too.